Hi beauties, welcome to my channel. Valentine's Day is just around the corner, so I thought of sharing this Valentine's Day makeup look. This is the very romantic, soft, girly kind of a look which goes with every color outfit, and also this is perfect for your love day. So let's see how to create this look. I'm starting off by applying primer. I already moisturized my face well. Now I'm applying this Wet n Wild primer on all over my face with my fingers. Next I'm applying foundation. For that I will be using Maybelline Superstay foundation, which gives long lasting coverage and also lasts for a really longer period of time. I'm taking 2 pumps of it and applying it with my damp beauty blender, blending everything well until I get even coverage. Then I'm using Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer and applying it under my eyes, bridge of my nose, around my mouth and on my chin. And also I'm applying this on my eyelid as an eyelid primer. Now I'm blending everything well. It instantly brightens the face and also hides any darkness or pigmentation around that area. Next I'm setting my face. Here I'm using little bit of compact on my beauty blender and pressing it wherever I just applied concealer. This method prevents our concealer from creasing. So if your concealer or foundation creases, then just try this method. This prevents your concealer from creasing and also keeps your foundation or concealer in place for a longer period of time. By using Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil, I am filling my eyebrows. First I am outlining my eyebrows and then I will fill them in. Here I am applying pink blush to my cheeks. Here I am highlighting my face by using Revlon highlighter, highlighting highest point of my cheeks, bridge of my nose, cupid bow, chin and my brow bone. Moving on to eye makeup, first I will take this Miss Claire's pink eyeshadow and apply it into my crease as a transition shade, and I will blend everything well until I get soft edges. Next, from the Maybelline Blush Nudes palette, I will be taking this light pink shade and applying it on my lid. Now I am applying eyeliner. I am using Maybelline pen liner and drawing very thin line near my upper lash line and winging it outward. To get that volumizing lashes, I am curling my lashes and applying generous coats of mascara. Here I am using Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. Here I am applying the same transition shade on my lower lash line just to match my crease. Eye makeup is done. Moving on to lips. First I am applying Maybelline Smitten MNU 16 lipstick on my lips. And on top of that I will be applying Bare Minimum lipstick by Nykaa. I love mixing both the colors, which gives really nice pinkish nude color which looks really good. And with that, this Valentine's Day makeup look is done. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then do subscribe to my channel and like this video. Until next time, keep smiling and happy Valentine's Day to all of you.